Control, the shipment is secured at Bay 3.
Roger that. Initiating unloading protocol. All teams, move into position.
Easy now, easy. Keep moving. Watch your spacing back there, careful.
Keep them moving towards Section 3.
Watch the gap on the left side.
The flow rate on Trough 3 seems low.
I adjusted the sensor calibration this morning. It should stabilize.
The scan looks clear. Vitals are stable.
Confirming data input for Station 3, Doctor.
Make sure you get under the hump there. All right, I'm moving him forward now. Watch the water pressure on that one. Check the thickness on this hide. It's within tolerance. We can send it to cutting. The thickness is perfect on this batch.
Agreed. The grain looks excellent. The leather texture on this satchel is flawless. It's ready for packaging. I agree. I'll log the results on the tablet now.